How to block someone on Snapchat. Ever felt uncomfortable with someone messaging you on Snapchat? Maybe they are sending spam or being rude or just won't leave you alone? Whatever the reason. Today I'll show you exactly how to block someone on Snapchat for good. Let's get started. First, open Snapchat. Now you can search for them by tapping on the search bar and search for them. Once you search for them, you get the profile right here. Now open the profile and tap on this three dot right at the top right corner, and you can see block right here. Tap on it and tap to confirm it again. Tap yes, and boom, they are gone. Now they are on your blocked list. You can repeat the same process for everyone you want to block. You can block anyone by searching for their username. And that's it. Blocking someone is super easy. If this video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.